Alright, y'all, so today I'm gonna be working on the Golf. I finally got my parts in. Had a boost leak, needed a coupler kit, so here it is. Went with the, let's see what it is, ECS tuning. It's the whole thing. And I'm gonna do an oil change. Only one since I'm gonna be under there. So, let me show y'all why I need to do this. The bone stock. But anyways, down here, I don't know if y'all can see this. Right there. That joint right there, I taped it before. That's how I found out it was a problem. It was a leak because I taped it. I had a check engine light and stuff on the dash, but once I taped it up, it went away. But the car is still running like it got a leak, so gonna get them Jones, the new one on. We're gonna see if it fix it. It should. I believe it should. Either way, the part had to be replaced, so we're gonna get to it. Alright, so here's the passenger side one. That's for the passenger side and the driver side. Both of them joints. So it's the same thing. But these joints is fresh. I don't know how long the old one's been on there, but we about to get to it. Alright, y'all. So here y'all see I taped this shit out. I did a terrible job. But, oh dang. Alright, here y'all can see I had this joint taped. I did a terrible job taping it because I didn't take it off to tape it, but here it is. This is the old one. And then I'm about to just go ahead and slide the new one on. So as you can see, it's brand new, obviously. So shouldn't have that type of problem no more. Hopefully. So I got that joint all tightened up on there. I ain't even gonna lie, I don't even. That joint still. You can see a little gap. I don't think that should create a problem really, cause this shit don't move, don't unmove. I mean, under load it might move. It's too much boost, but I think it should all be good. About to work. Get this side off. I don't know where the hole is on this. Oh, I don't know, bro. But I'm gonna replace it anyways. Get it out of here. Get this old piece of garbage. Got a little oil leak. I don't know where that joint come from. Where's the Volkswagen? So, any word. Trying to get the whole joint rebuilt eventually. Oh. Alright, y'all, so I'm doing the oil change. Yo, previous owner, I'm not sure if it was the previous owner or when I went and got the clutch work done, but yo, ECS parts for the drain plug, bro? You was that deep into it, bro? How you should never let this go. Crazy. Yeah, see. That was well overdue. That's like 4,000 miles. I think I'm supposed to do it every 1,500 miles. 2,000. Huh?
Ah, this shit wicked.
Oh shit. Oh.